Ever wished you could find your lost keys, wallet, or even your pet with pinpoint accuracy? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to make that a reality, ensuring you never lose what matters most again. Its standout feature, precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology, literally guides you directly to your item using directional arrows on your iPhone. Imagine that moment of panic gone, replaced by the satisfying feeling of knowing exactly where your misplaced essentials are, even if they're under a couch cushion or in the next room. Setting up these smart trackers is unbelievably simple. Just one tap on your iPhone and you're good to go. No complicated pairing menus or confusing apps. Plus, with IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can withstand splashes, spills, and even a brief dunk, meaning it's built to last wherever your adventures take it. This isn't just any Bluetooth tracker. It leverages Apple's vast Find My network, so if your item is truly far away, millions of Apple devices can anonymously help locate it. For anyone looking to buy the best personal item tracker or upgrade their everyday carry, the AirTag offers unparalleled peace of mind. If you're tired of the endless search for lost belongings, you can find the Apple AirTag 4-pack at the link in our description below. So if you want to keep track of everything important, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is absolutely the must-have tracking solution we highly recommend.